In this video, we will explain how the RTSA software, together with the V6 Eco Spectrum Analyzer, adds value to the WinFi analysis software. To begin, the interface in the block graph editor has been set up. A calibration block is added from the repository to account for antennas and amplifiers, improving RF accuracy. The IQ stream from the Spectran V6 Eco then connects to the sweep zoom block in the block graph editor. The sweep range is set from 2.4 to 7.15 GHz. This range covers the 2.4, 5, and 6E wireless LAN frequency bands. After the zoom block, the stream is sent to the HTTP server block, which connects to the WinFi 3.0 software. Make sure the HTTP server port is available and not blocked by the PC firewall. At the same time, the Web Spectrum block provides a visual spectrum display. Start the sequence to see the system in operation. Click the Edit button, the pencil icon in the block graph editor toolbar, to open a detailed view. At the bottom of the display, the 2.4 GHz band is visible, showing typical high activity from wireless LAN, Bluetooth, and other signals. In the 5 GHz range, additional wireless activity is present. In the 6E band, there is activity including 160 MHz channels used by Wi-Fi. Not all signals in this range are necessarily Wi-Fi related. The sweep covers 2.4 to 7.1 GHz with a sweep time of 1.5 milliseconds. The interface is now confirmed to be operational and ready to supply data to WinFi. After installing WinFi, open WinFi 3.0 Pro Engineer. Click the WinFi 3.0 Pro Engineer menu icon at the top left and select Settings. Under Wi-Fi interfaces, the PC is using a BE200 Wi-Fi module for spectrum scanning. This already provides basic information about nearby Wi-Fi networks. Under Spectrum Analyzers in the settings, click Rescan. An RTSA client entry should appear under Available Interfaces, confirming that the Spectrum Analyzer is providing data to WinFi. Return to the main WinFi GUI. Expand the Network Details section to see the busy network environment. At the top of the window, frequency band filter buttons are available for 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz, and all. All bands are shown by default, but you can filter by individual frequency ranges. For example, you can focus on traffic on channel 11 in the 2.4 GHz band. This shows the SSIDs currently using that channel. Many other filter options are available to tailor the view. You can sort or filter by RSSI, the Receive Signal Strength Indicator, by clicking the RSSI column header. You can also filter by standard by clicking the 802.11 column header. The channel utilization column shows traffic on each channel. The busiest channel is highlighted, followed by other active channels. At the bottom of the window is the spectrum panel. When expanded, it initially shows no spectrum data. On the Parameters tab, detailed network parameters are available. Clicking any network, for example an N network, displays its parameters. WinFi presents packet capture information in a clear format, and the content updates dynamically based on the selected network. For an AX network, VHT capability entries are also shown. The History tab displays trends for selected SSIDs, such as SNR over time, as well as RSSI. These tools provide additional insight into network behavior. Return to the Spectrum tab. The Spectrum waveform now includes data from the V6 interface. The bottom status bar confirms that the RTSA client is connected. Press the play button in the RTSA client status bar to stream data through the HTTP server into WinFi, populating the Spectrum view. As before, clicking individual networks in the list highlights their operating frequencies in the spectrum. For example, one network may appear on channel 3, while another operates on channel 11. Click the All Band filter at the top to display activity across the 2.4, 5, and 6E ranges at the same time. To demonstrate real-time behavior, running an iPerf measurement shows additional activity appearing in the spectrum view. Using the channel number filter in the left sidebar, you can combine filters, for example viewing channel 213 alongside the 2.4 GHz band, or comparing channel 153 with 2.4 GHz. This provides a flexible way to correlate individual channels with the overall spectrum. Together, WinFi and the V6 provide a quick overview of all network channels, traffic, and spectrum performance across the 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands. For more information, check out our other videos on our YouTube page or visit AaroniaUSA.com.